वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः साक्षात् ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनाधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Now we are going to read sentences. We have practiced reading words, simple words, and words containing conjunct consonants. Now we are going to practice reading sentences. That is called Vakya Abhyasaha. Vakya Abhyasaha. First topic was Akshara Abhyasaha. Learning Aksharas. Second, Shabda Abhyasaha. Shabda meaning words. No Vakya. Vakya meaning.
Sir, voice is lagging.
Voice is lagging. Is it only for you or is it for everyone?
Now it is clear.
No.
It was for everyone, Guruji, but I think
now it's okay.
Clear.
Now it's better, yes.
Okay. Maybe because of the internet, I think. Okay. So now Vakya Abhyasaha. Anyway, you are going to read. I'm going to listen and correct. Okay. If my voice is not clear again, you please let me know. Maybe because of the internet connection, I think. Yes, Parulji, you please read. Slowly you read.
Yes, sir. Aksharam iti kim.
Good. Aksharam iti kim. The meaning is not important, only reading. Aksharam iti kim. Then the next line.
Shravane nindraya grahyam aksharam.
You have to read together.
Shravane.
No, together I said. So Shravanendriya it is.
Shravane indriya
No.
grahyam.
Shravanendriya.
Shravane indriya grahyam aksharam.
See, listen please. Shravanendriya. It is not Shravana Indriya. Shravanendriya Grahyam Aksharam. Together to read.
Yeah. Shravane, correct? Shravane indriya grahyam aksharam.
Can you hear me? Is my voice clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then listen, how do I read? I read Shravanendriya. I'm not pausing after Shravane. Where
Okay.
is Shravane after that Indriya? Shravanendriya.
Shravane Indriya. Correct, sir?
No, it's not correct. You're not hearing.
Shravane Indriya. Shravane Indriya.
Shravanendriya.
Shravanendriya.
Yes.
Shravanendriya.
Not.
Grahyam. Shravanam Indriya.
Okay. Now, next person, Akosh. Please read, Akosh.
Sir, you're telling me?
No, I'm asking Akosh to read.
Yes. Shravanendriya.
Yes.
Grayam Aksharam. Shravanendriya Grayam Aksharam.
Yes.
Shravane Indriya.
Not Indriya. I'm saying Shravanendriya, not Shravanendriya.
Okay. Shravanendriya.
I'm not sure if my voice is clear. Akosh, is my voice clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Is there any problem in hearing my voice?
No, Guruji. Yes, Guruji. Clear.
Because
It's clear.
I repeat twice, thrice, but still, if you don't read, I'm not clear whether my voice is clear to you or what the problem is. I don't know. Anyway, yes, Akosh, what you read is correct. Shravanendriya Gragyam Aksharam. Okay, now, Akosh, please read.
Aksharasya eva varnaha iti anya nama, sorry.
Yes.
Api asita.
Please read properly last word. What is that?
Oh, asti.
Asti. Read the sentence again.
Aksharasya eva varnaha iti anya nama api asti.
Yes, good. Read again.
Aksharasya eva varnaha iti anya nama api asti.
Read from the beginning. Aksharam iti kim.
Aksharam iti kim. Shravane indriya.
No, read properly. This Shravanendriya.
Shravanendriya. Grahyam aksharam. Aksharasya eva varnaha iti anya nama api asti.
Read again.
Aksharasya from the beginning or?
From the beginning.
From the beginning. Aksharasya iti kim. Shravanendriya grahyam aksharam aksharasya eva varnaha iti anya nama api asti.
Asti. Aksharam iti kim. Shravanendriya gragyam aksharam. Aksharasya eva varnaha iti anya nama api asti. This is how you have to read.
Yes.
Okay, next person. Umaji. You can read the first.
Yes, Guruji. Aksharani Gati Vidani.
Read again.
Aksharani Kati Vidani.
Kati vidhani. Kati.
Kati Vidani.
Not gadi.
Okay, good. Aksharani Gati Vidani.
Not gadi. It is kati.
Gati. Aksharani Kati Vidani.
Listen, it is kati, not gati. Kati means how much, how many. Kati Vidani, Kati is how many, not how much, how many. Gati is movement. Meaning is totally different. It is ka, not ga. That is why we did a Akshara Abhyasa, Kati, and also
Gati.
not Gati, Kati.
Kati.
Yeah, read again.
Aksharani. Kati. Vidani. Aksharani. Trividani. Bhavanti. Tani. Swaraha. Vyanjanani. Ayogavaha. Iti.
Ayoga Vahaha iti.
Ayogavaha iti.
Okay. You have to correct your pronunciation. The Akshara Ucharanam is not proper. It is, you are saying Gadi, or you are saying the Kakara becomes Gakara and Ti becomes Di. That has to be corrected. Okay, next person. Subbalakshmi, please read the same sentence.
Aksharani kati vidani.
Good, yeah.
Aksharani trividani bhavanti. Tani swaraha vyanjanani ayogavahaha iti.
Yes, that is what it is. Next person. Kirtiji, you can read the first sentence. Yeah, please read.
Satyame jayate.
Read again.
Satyameva jayate.
Satyameva is like one word, okay?
Satyameva jayate.
Satyameva jayate. Read the next one also.
Ekyamathyam Mahabalam.
Is it Ekya? It is not A. There is no A in Sanskritam. Yeah, last class also I corrected. There is no word Dirga A. I mean Rasva A Dirga A. In other language may be there, but in Sanskrit there is no Rasva A. A and I only. Okay. So what is this now you read?
Aikyamatyam Mahabalam.
Aikyamatyam Mahabalam. Aikya, yeah.
Really confuses this. The two strokes on the top, I always say that is I. Right?
You're right. That is natural. But since this being the vowel, A doesn't have any stroke at the top. I has one stroke. When it is added to the consonant, there you will see one stroke on the top. For example, if it is Kakara, then K. If it is I is added, the vowel I is added to the consonant, then becomes Kai, double stroke. Your confusion is understandable. But when you read a vowel alone, A without stroke, I with stroke, and there is no short A. So A and I only. So remember, this is I, not A. Okay. So Aikyamatyam Mahabalam. Okay, next person, Sanghaviji.
विद्याधनं सर्वधनात् प्रधानं.
Read again.
विद्याधनं सर्वधनात् प्रधानं.
Good. The next one.
मातृदेवो भव.
Yes, good. Matradevo Bhava. Next person. Prabhakarji.
Yes, Guruji. Mata, Pita, Guruhu, Vayam. Devam. Sorry, Guruji. Daivam, Guruji.
Mata, Pita, Guruhu, Daivam.
Daivam.
You read from the beginning.
Okay, Guruji. Yes. From the beginning, from the first one?
Yeah.
Okay, Guruji. Satyameva Jayate. Aikya Madhyam Mahabalam. Vidya Dhanam Sarva Dhanat Pradhanam. Matrudevo Bhava. Mata Pitaha Guruhu Daivam.
Where is Mataha?
Oh, sorry, Guruji. Sorry, it's Mata Pitaha Guruhu Daivam.
Mata, Pita,
Guruhu Daivam.
Satyameva Jayate. Aikyamatyam Mahabalam. Vidyadhanam Sarvadhanat Pradhanam. Matradevo Bhava. Mata Pita Guruhu Daivam. So we have
Yes, Guruji.
Parulji, you read the sentences.
Yes, sir.
Listen slowly and read properly. Pay attention to what you are reading. Okay.
Okay, sir. Satyameva Jayate. Aikam Matyam Mahabalam.
Aikyamatyam.
Aikyamatyam Mahabalam. Vidyadhanam Sarvadhanata Pradhanam.
Again, where is that Sarvadhanata? Read.
Sarvadhanata Pradhanam.
Read sentence again.
Vidyadhanam Sarvadhanata Pradhanam.
Sarvadhanat.
Sarvadhanat Pradhanam. Matrudevo Bhava. Mata Pita Guruha Daivam.
Not Guruha. It is Guruhu.
Guruhu. Sorry, sir. Guruhu Daivam.
Okay, Umaji, you read the same sentences.
Yes, Guruji. Satyameva Jayate.
Read slowly, okay. Don't read too fast. And when you read, Alpa Prana, Maha Prana, this Takara mistakes happen. Read slowly.
Okay, Guruji. Satyameva Jayate. Aikyamadyam Mahabalam.
Read slowly, I said. Okay, read again. Second line.
Aikyamadyam Mahabalam.
It is not Madhyam. Where is Madhyam? There is the problem of hard consonant and soft consonant. That has to be correct.
Okay. And Aikyamadyam Mahabalam.
Aikyamatyam. It is not Madhyam. That is Madhyam. Madh is different. That's what I'm saying. You're making all the hard consonant into soft consonant.
Okay. Another time you tell Guruji. Aikyamadyam.
Huh?
Aikyamadyam.
It is not, again, it's the same mistake again. It is not Madhyam. It is Matyam.
Matyam. ऐक्यमत्यं महाबलं
Read again. Yeah.
विद्याधनं सर्वधनात् प्रधानं मातृदेवो भव माता पिता गुरुः दैवं
Read the last sentence again.
माता पिता गुरुः दैवं
What is the first word?
मा
First,
मा
not first letter, first word.
माता
It is Mata. Do you read Mada?
yes Guruji. Sorry,
No, I'm asking, will you read Mada, the word?
no Guruji. Mata.
That is what you are doing everywhere.
Okay.
Aikamadhyam. If it is Aikamadhyam, then it must be Sadhyamadhyam, Sadhyameva Jayate. That why it is Satyameva Jayate. There if you can say Takara, why can't in Aikamadhyam?
Okay, Guruji.
Understand the mistake what you are doing.
Okay, Guruji.
So it's not that you are not pronouncing Takara properly. You are pronouncing, but you are saying that Takara as Dakara at some places. That you have to pay attention.
Okay, Guruji. Okay, Guruji.
Satyameva Jayate you read properly. Why not Aikam Madhyam? It is Aikam Madhyam is there, Aikam Madhyam. And also Mata is there. You don't read Mada, that you read properly.
Okay, Guruji.
The problem is reading Takara as Dakara. It must appear everywhere, but it doesn't. That's why pay attention, read properly, slowly.
Okay.
No need to have pressure to read quickly. Even if you read letter by letter, read slowly. What letter is that? That Ucharanam is important.
Okay. Thank you.
Next person, Pratibhaji.
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
Okay. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Okay.
Manav Seva, Madhava Seva.
Here it is mistake. It is
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
Hold on, that's not your problem. Vasudhaiva, that must be Mahaprana. It is Vasudha is Prithvi. So it must be Vasudhaiva, not Daiva. That's a mistake.
Sorry, that's why I'm looking here. It's Daival written set. So.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm saying it as a typo. The mistake.
Okay. I will read again. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
Yeah, that is it's a mistake. It should be the Mahaprana.
Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Manava Seva, Madhava Seva.
Next person, Parulji.
Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu.
Read again.
Lokaha.
It's not Lokaha. Lokaha.
Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu.
Read again.
Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu.
Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Lokaha. Not Lokaha.
Okay. Lokaha.
Not Lokaha. Lokaha.
Lokaha. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Lokaha.
Lokaha.
Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu.
Okay, next line.
Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha.
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 Okay, next person, Akosh.
Tamasoma Jyotigarmya
Read again properly.
Yes. Tamasoma Jyoti Garmaya.
No. Read the last word.
Jyotirgamaya.
Jyotirgamaya.
Jyotirgamaya. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya.
Read slowly again.
Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya.
Read from the first sentence.
Vasudheva Kutumbakam Manavaseva Madhyavaseva.
No, again.
Manavaseva Madhyavaseva.
Where is Madhya?
Madhavaseva.
Read slowly. Why you're in a hurry? Read slowly.
Manavaseva.
Manavaseva.
Madhavaseva.
Yes.
Lokaha Samastaha Sukhinao Bhavantu.
Is it Sukhi now?
Sukhino Bhavantu.
Read the sentence again.
Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu.
Okay, next sentence.
Sarva Bhavantu Sukhinaha. Sarva Bhavantu Sukhinaha.
Read again.
Sarva Bhavantu Sukhinaha.
What is the first word?
Sukhinaha. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha.
It is Sarve, not Sarva.
Yes, Guruji. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Yes.
Okay, next line.
Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya.
Okay.
Tamasoma
You need to learn to read slowly.
Yes.
Next person. Umaji, you read the sentences again.
Yes, Guruji. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam Manava Seva Madhava Seva Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya.
Okay. Next person, Subbalakshmiji.
Papaya Parapidanam.
Good.
Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
Again.
Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
Yes. Next person, Kirtiji.
Tato dharmaha tato jayaha. Dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. Dharmo rakshati rakshitaha.
Next one, Sanghaviji.
Satyam Jnanam Anantam Atithi Devo Bhava.
Good. Prabhakarji, you read all the sentences.
Yes, Guruji. Papaya Parapitanam. Parapitanam.
Pidanam, not Pitanam. Pidanam.
Okay. Pitanam. Yes, Guruji. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Yato dharmaha tato jayaha. Dharmo rakshati rasitaha. Satyam
Rakshitaha.
rakshitaha. Yes,
Rakshitaha.
Rakshitaha. Did I say
Yes.
that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Guruji. Satyam Jnanam Anantam. Atiti Devo Bhava.
Yes. Umaji, you read.
Yes, Guruji. Papaya Varipeedanam.
No, read again.
Papaya Varipeedanam.
Read again.
Papaya Varipeedanam.
Not Baba here. Not, there is no Baba here. Read again.
Papaya Varipeedanam.
Papaya, that's okay. You read the beginning correctly. The second word, there's a mistake.
Papaya Varipeedanam.
Where is Pari?
Sorry, Guruji. Papaya Parapeedanam.
Read the sentence again.
Papaya Varipeedanam. Parapeedanam.
That's why I'm asking to read slowly. You are in a hurry to read. I don't know why.
Sorry, Guruji. Sorry. Papaya Parapeedanam.
Why don't you read letter by letter? Listen to me. Papaya. You have to read from the beginning. Immediately you cannot read. Start reading fast. Not possible. Papaya Parapeedanam. Parapeedanam. This is how we have to read. Like you teach a child to read the mother language. Similarly, you have to read like that.
Okay, Guruji.
Where is Pari? There is what is not there. It is Kalpana. It is imagination. Pari. There is no Pari. It is Para.
Okay, Guruji. Papaya Parapeedanam. Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
Anyway, you are reading the same way. You are not correcting that. Same way you are reading. Read slowly, I am saying. Okay.
Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Yato Dharmaha Tato Jayaha.
Yato Dharmaha Tato Jayaha.
Yato Dharmaha Tato Jayaha. Dharmo Rakshitaha.
Read again.
Dharmo Rakshitaha. Rakshati.
Okay.
Dharmo Rakshitaha.
Next line.
Satyam Jnanam Anantam. Atiti Devo Bhava.
Okay. Next person, Pratibhaji. Now from here onwards, you are going to read shlokas. You have to read slowly. Don't assume the words, and supply any letter on their own. Read slowly as it is, letter by letter, and then the word. Yes, Pratibhaji, please read.
Okay. Akaradeva niryanti samastanyaksharaणि च चराचर prapanchoyam ishvaradev jayate.
Okay, it must be Ishvara. It is Ishvara. It's a mistake.
Ishvaradeva jayate.
Okay. This last line, it is Ishvara Deva. It is Isha is there. It should not be Isha. It is Ishvara. That's a type. There's a type, not Dirgha. There's a typo in that. Okay. You can note that mistake. I will correct it later.
Okay. I will read again. Ishvara Deva Jayate.
Yes. So it's a
Can
beautiful.
I read all full again?
It's okay. It's a beautiful Subhashitam. It's a shloka. How many of you speak Tamil? Here, Umaji, you speak Tamil. Anybody else?
I speak, Guruji.
Srivaka, do you speak Tamil?
Yes, Guruji.
This is a translation of the Tirukkural. First, Agara Mudala
Euthallam Adi Bhagavan.
Adi Bhagavan Madatrey Ulagu. The translation of that first Kural into Sanskritam.
Okay, Guruji.
Akara Devadiryanti.
Okay, Guruji.
Parulji, you can read this Subhashitam. Subhashitam means that which is well said. It's called Subhashitam. Sushtabhashitam, Subhashitam. Saying, good saying. That's the meaning. In the form of a shloka, the verse. There are many shlokas going to come. So we are going to read one by one. Yeah. Parulji, read slowly.
Yes, sir. Akara Deva Niryanti Samastanya Sharanicha
Samastan Yaksharanica.
Sharanicha Samastanya Sharanicha Charachara Prapanyo Ayam Prapanchoyam Ishvaradeva Jayate.
Akoshi.
Pardon?
Yes, Guruji.
Next person, yeah. Read.
Akaro Deva.
Read again. Read.
Akaro Deva.
It's not Akaro. Where is Akaro?
Akara Deva. Sorry, yes. Akara Deva. Niryanti. Samastanyaksharani cha. Charachara prapanchoyam Ishvaro Deva Jayate.
Again, last sentence, last line.
Ishvaro Deva Jayate.
Where is Ishvaro?
Ishvara Deva. Again, on the same mistake. Ishvara Deva Jayate.
Now read a full Subhashitam.
Akshara Deva Niryanti Samastan Yaksharani cha Chara Prapancha Choyam Ishvara Deva Jayate.
Akara Deva Niryanti Samastan Yaksharani cha Chara Prapanchoyam Ishvara Deva Jayate.
Yeah.
Guruji, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
On that second stanza, that Characharam, and in that there is a symbol in between.
We'll see that.
What is it?
Yes. That symbol, we will see what it is later. It is a symbol. It's not a letter. So you can assume as though it is not there.
Okay, Ji, thank you.
Chara prapanchoyam. That is a symbol. What is that symbol? We'll see later. We need to learn grammar for that.
Okay, Guruji.
Yeah. What's that, Akosh?
Dhanyavadaha.
Yeah. Next one. This is Subhashitam, so it can be recited like this, in this meter. Now, Umaji, read slowly. Next is Subhashitam.
Pustahasta tu ya Pustagasta tu ya vidya.
Read again. Don't have to chant. You just read. Chanting is next. First reading.
Okay.
Read it.
Pustakastha.
No. Again.
Pustakastha.
What? Read letter by letter.
Pustakastha.
Read letter by letter. Okay.
Who is the Pustakastha.
You are reading Pustakastha. Where is Ga? There is no Ga at all.
Pustakastha. Pustakastha.
No. Okay. Subbalakshmi, can you read that? That word alone.
Pustakastha.
Again?
Pustakastha.
You are also reading Gasta.
Kasta. Pustakastha.
Pustakastha.
Yeah.
Pustakastha. It is Pustaka. Pustaka means book, not Pustaga. Not Ga. It is Pustakastha. Pustake tishtati iti Pustakastha. That which is there in the book. Pustakastha. Not Pustagastha. Understand?
Okay. Okay.
Why don't you see that we are doing a mistake? Your focus is not on that, what you are doing, that mistake.
Okay.
The ta becomes ga, ta becomes da, and cha becomes ja. It's a problem.
Okay. Okay.
Problem is, I am pointing out the problem, so you have to correct the problem.
Okay, Guruji.
Not to perpetuate the problem. Okay.
Okay.
So this problem, everybody has got some specific problem. I am pointing out the problem to correct it.
Okay.
So pay attention when you read. Okay.
Okay.
Read now.
Pustakastha.
Same mistake. Nothing changed.
Pustakastha.
What is changed? You are saying again Pustakastha only. It is not Pustakastha.
Pustakastha.
Very good. The same mistake. Nothing changed. Okay. Pustakastha.
Pustakastha.
No.
Pustakastha.
Okay. I will ask the next person to read. Okay, you continue. Read whatever you can. We have to work on this. Okay.
Pustakastha tu ya vidya paragastugam paragasta kadam dhan karya kale samutpanne na sa vidya na dadhanam.
Okay, next person. A lot of mistakes are there. Okay. This problem of this.
Mahaprana, Alpaprana. I know.
Not Mahaprana, Alpaprana. This Katora Venjana and this Mridu Venjana. This, in Tamil we say Vallinam and Inam. That problem is there. It is Tapara. You will say Gajada Dabara. You will say Gajada Dabara or Kachata Tapara.
Kachata Tapara.
Again?
Kachata Tapara.
Kachata Tapara, not Gajada Dabara. But you are reading Gajara Dabara.
Oh.
Tamil itself problem is that.
Oh, okay.
So when you sing, the song will have a lot of mistakes. So you have to, if it's a song, if it is going to have this mistake, the meaning will change.
Okay.
It will not be charming also to listen, because the beauty of Sanskritam is in its Ucharanam. If Ucharanam is not proper, the charm will not be there.
Yes, Guruji. Sakala.
That is what we have been doing from the very beginning. 20 classes, more than 20 classes I have gone.
Yes, Guruji, you told.
Same thing, aksharam, akshara uchcharanam, uchcharana sthanam, all these things we have seen in detail.
Okay, Guruji.
To work on that, you have to work on more on that. I'm not saying you're not working on that. You're sending me a lot of messages, I see, but I don't have time to respond. But you
Okay,
have to
Guruji.
work on that. Okay, next person, Subhlakshmi ji.
पुस्तकस्तु या विद्या
Read again.
पुस्तकस्तु या
Pustakas. See, listen, you are also doing same mistake. Pustakasta. It is ka. Pustaka. You say pustaka,
पुस्तक
not ga. Pustaka.
पुस्तक
Pustakastatu.
पुस्तकस्तु
Yes.
या विद्या परहस्त गदम धनम कार्यकाले सुमुत्पन्ने
Samutpane, not sumutpane.
समुत्पन्ने न सा विद्या न तद्धनम
Natadhanam.
न तद्धनम
Natadhanam.
न तद्धनम
Not nada. Also doing the same
Taddanam.
thing. Taddanam is there. It is
या
daddanam. Na taddanam. Nataddanam.
न तद्धनम धनम
Not, listen, not nada. It is nada.
न तद्धनम
Not taddanam. You are saying nadaddanam, nadaddanam. Understand?
ओके
Nasa vidya na taddanam, nataddanam. That's okay. Not nadaddanam. Read again the full Subhashitam.
न पुस्तकस्तु या विद्या परहस्त गदम धनम कार्यकाले समुत्पन्ने न सा विद्या न तद्धनम
Yes. Second line, parahasta gatam dhanam. Not gadam.
परहस्त गदम धनम
Gatam.
गदम धनम परहस्त गदम धनम
Not gadam. You see, you're doing a mistake.
गतम सॉरी
Read again, line again.
परहस्त गतम धनम
Pustakastatu ya vidya parahasta gatam dhanam karyakale samutpanne nasa vidya natadhanam. It's another beautiful Subhashitam. It's all applicable to us. The vidya, that knowledge which is there in the book, which is there safely in the book. We don't open the book. So our class is there safely in the video. Nobody watches the video. If you miss the class also. Similarly, the money which has been given to others, you have lent the money to someone. Your money. The book, the knowledge which is there in the book, the money, your money which has been given to others, when the time required for usage, if it is not available to you immediately, then the vidya, the knowledge, really is not vidya. The money is not really worth calling money. That is the meaning of this Subhashitam. The beautiful Subhashitam. Vidya, where the vidya should be? Vidya should be in the book or should be in the buddhi? It should be in the buddhi. It should be available with us all the time. Then only it's called vidya. Otherwise, it doesn't deserve to be called vidya. Similarly, money also. Money, our money should be with us so that when it is required, it is available for our usage. When it is lent to someone and it is not given back, then it doesn't deserve to be called money at all. That is the meaning. Next person, Kirtiji. Please read the Subhashitam again.
Kasta tu ya vidya parahastagatam dhanam karyakale samutpanne na sa vidya na tadhanam.
Yes. The next one, you can read Kirtiji.
दिवसेनैव तत् कुर्यात् दिवसेनैव तत् कुर्यात् येन येन रात्रौ सुखं वसेत् येन रात्रं
Okay. Continue. Next line. Yavajjivancha. Jakara and Jakara. Jakara plus E.
यावज्जीवञ्च तत् कुर्यात् येन प्रेत्य सुखं वसेत्.
Yes. The third line, it is Yavajjivancha. Yavaj, the Jakara plus E. It's a conjunct consonant. Okay. Now read the Subhashitam again. Now you have read the individual words. Now read the Subhashitam fluently.
दिवसेनैव तत् कुर्यात् येन रात्रौ सुखं वसेत् यावज्जीवञ्च तत् कुर्यात् येन प्रेत्ये सुखं वसेत्.
Okay, now listen. How to read the Subhashitam? First, it's a Subhashitam.
Okay.
It's got words. A lot of words are there. When you read the words, listen. Diva, se, naiva. This individual, the varna should be read in the mind. Okay. When you read a word, the varna, the letters of the word, first you have to recognize and read in the mind. The first one, diva, se, naiva. Don't read it loudly. Read in the mind. Then diva, se, naiva. Diva, se, naiva. Read it little fast. Diva, se, naiva. The mind you read fast, then you get the word now. Diva, se, naiva. Diva, se, naiva. First word. Remember that. Once you read the word correctly, you need to remember that. Second time when you read, again you should not count and read. Diva, se, naiva. Diva, se, naiva. Once you read that, you need to remember. Then go to the next word. Tat kuryat. Tat kuryat. First word you know, second word you know. Don't, when you come back and read that sentence, read the words again. Again, you should not read from the beginning. Diva, se, naiva. You should not count and read. Because you have read already that knowledge is there. That samskara is there. This word, knowledge. You have to read fluently. Diva, se, naiva, tat kuryat. Then second line. Yena. Now you know. When you read ye, and you have to read ye, you should not read yo, yona and all. Yena. What the letter, what that varna is, read that first as it is properly. Make sure it is correct. Yena. All these things you have to do it internally. Then ratrau. Yena ratrau. These two words you know. Sukham vaset. Now the first line is done. Divasenaiva tat kuryat. Yena ratrau sukham vaset. All the words already you have read. The knowledge is there. So therefore, should be available for reading fluently with you. Number one. Now the second line. Ya vajjivancha. Ya vajjivancha. Read two or three times. Ya vajjivancha. Ya vajjivancha. Ya vajjivancha. Tat kuryat. Second word. Tat kuryat. Yavajjivancha tat kuryat. Read that. Recall what you have read. Then last line. Yena pretya sukham vaset. Sukham vaset already you have seen before. The same is repeating. There should not be any problem. Now, all the words you know. Now read the Subhashitam. Divasenaiva tat yat yena ratrau sukham vaset yavad jivancha tat kuryat yena pretya sukham vaset. This is how we have to read. This I am chanting, you can read. Reading is okay. If you can chant, it is good. If not possible, at least read without any mistakes. Okay, read again, Kirtiji.
दिवसेनैव तत् कुर्यात् येन रात्रौ सुखं वसेत् यावज्जीवं च तत् कुर्यात् येन प्रेत्य सुखं वसेत्.
Yes. Okay, I think we can stop here. There are more Subhashitams to come. It will come. First, you practice this, whatever we have seen. Okay.
Thank you.
So, you can stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Thank you, Guruji.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
गुरुजी धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.